Ever wonder what it takes to actually get started with a dropshipping business? You've heard the buzz, seen the success stories, and you're ready to jump in. You've probably already chosen Spocket as your platform of choice, and that's a great decision. But now you're at that crucial point. You've set up your store, found some incredible products, and are about to pull the trigger on a subscription. Then a question hits you: how do I actually pay for this? This is a question that can stop a new entrepreneur dead in their tracks. It's a simple question, but the answer is critical to the smooth operation of your business. If you don't know the payment methods, you can't subscribe, you can't list products, and you can't make a single sale. The good news is, Spocket makes this part of the process incredibly easy and secure, so you can focus on what really matters: building your brand and selling products. So, let's break down exactly what you need to know about Spocket's payment methods, both for your subscription and for the products you'll be ordering. First, let's talk about the subscription fee. Spocket offers a few different plans, from the free plan that lets you browse products, to the paid plans that unlock all the features you'll need to run a serious dropshipping business. Whether you choose a monthly or an annual plan, Spocket gives you straightforward options for payment. The primary methods they accept for your subscription are major credit cards and debit cards. This is a standard and universally accepted approach, so if you have a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover card, you're all set. Spocket processes these transactions securely through a reliable payment processor, so your financial information is always protected. Now, what about the orders themselves? This is a two-part process. You're the one paying the supplier for the product, but your customer is paying you. For the products you order from Spocket suppliers, Spocket also offers multiple secure and widely used payment options to ensure a seamless transaction. When you process an order, Spocket acts as the intermediary. They accept all major credit cards, as well as popular digital wallets like PayPal and Apple Pay. This flexibility is a huge advantage. It means that when a customer places an order on your store, the funds are collected from them, and then you use one of these accepted methods to pay the supplier through the Spocket platform. Spocket also uses payment providers like Stripe and PayPal to handle the transactions between you and the supplier, ensuring everything is processed smoothly. They recommend that suppliers enable both Stripe and PayPal to maximize payment options for their dropshippers. So, from your end, you'll be able to use your credit card or a PayPal account to pay for the products you order. It's also important to touch on a key detail: transaction fees. While Spocket prides itself on having zero transaction fees on your sales, the payment processors they use, like Stripe, do have their own processing fees. This is a small percentage plus a fixed amount per transaction and is standard practice across almost all e-commerce platforms. It's a minor cost of doing business, and it's essential to factor it into your pricing strategy so you maintain healthy profit margins. One more thing to remember is the free trial. If you're just starting, Spocket offers a 14-day free trial on all its paid plans. This is a great opportunity to explore the platform, import products, and even make a few test orders without a subscription fee. You won't be charged until the trial period is over, giving you plenty of time to get a feel for the platform before committing. So, to quickly recap, when you're ready to subscribe to a Spocket plan, you can use any major credit or debit card. When you're ready to place an order to a supplier, you can pay using a credit card, PayPal, or Apple Pay. These widely accepted and secure payment methods make the financial side of your dropshipping business as easy as possible, letting you focus on what you love most: growing your brand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.